Want to make a tennis ball in Blender? Start by adding a UV sphere. Switch to Edit mode. Use Face Selection to select a hemisphere. Press P and separate it by selection. Switch to Object mode and rotate the hemisphere 90 degrees along the x-axis. Press A, then Ctrl+G to join the objects, and in Edit mode, press M to merge by distance. Switch to Edge Loop selection and use Alt to select an edge loop. Bevel the selected loops with Ctrl+B, then press E and S to extrude and scale the faces down. Assign a material to these faces, set it to white, and increase the roughness to 1. Press Ctrl+I to invert the selection and assign another material to the base, setting its color to yellow. Add a new particle system, set it to hair, adjust the hair length to 0.01 and the number to 50,000. Smooth shade the model. Switch to Render Preview and add area lights to the scene, scaling them up. Go back to the material properties, flip the materials order, and change the render engine to cycles for a realistic view. And that's it. Don't forget to follow us for more tutorials. See you next time.